everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. Now, usually the last couple weeks I've been going to Walmart on Sundays, but today I'm back to my normal Mondays again. Graham is back to work and it's just easier if I do it this way. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. I had to get some stuff that I haven't gotten before, which I liked. They did get rid of some deals that I was gonna get as I was starting to write down my stuff, and then the deal was dead. So I'm happy I scanned the items while I was at the store because I learned my lesson with that, because I really wanted to get the Persil. It was there last night and then it was gone, so I'm just like, whatever. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. There is some really good bonuses coming up lately, so I wanted to do this bonus. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So the first deal we did is the Poise deal. Now these were $4.84. We do have those $3 off coupons, or there was some available on coupons.com. You guys would pay $1.84 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta. And you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You guys will get points with Fetch Rewards. But you guys will get this just for 84 cents after Ibotta, which I think 84 cents for this is a good deal. I'm like $10 away from Ibotta or for Fetch Rewards on getting a bonus. So when I go to Walgreens this week, I think I'm going to do that, because then I'll finish it and I'll get my big bonus. So I'm pretty excited about that. Now, Meow Mix just popped up on Ibotta, and that I stocked up last time, like when they had the coupons and everything, and my cat just loves this stuff. So I had to get more cups because she was on her last one. She had her very last cup last night. I gotta watch what I say because she knows the word cup. But I needed to get more, so I got a ton of different Meow Mix because I just needed it. So, and why not save some money with it also? So I ended up getting the Meow Mix Simple Servings 2-pack. You don't get as much on here. I feel like when my cat eats these, she's always begging for more, but she only gets a cup once a day. But these are a 2-pack. These are 78 cents. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You guys would end up paying $1.56 for this, but then you can submit a 50 cents off of 2. So you do have to get actual 2 packs. But yeah, 50 cents off of 2 comes out to be $1.06 or just 53 cents a piece, which I'm like, you know what, I don't care if it's not. I'm getting some money back for buying stuff that I actually would buy for my cat anyways. So, and I wish there was coupons for them, but there's not, which I'm okay with because I'm still saving some money. So I ended up getting those from my Princess Paris. I also got the Meow Mix 12-pack. Now this was $5.76. You guys would pay $5.76 for this. Like, I buy this all the time. I just bought so much last time that I didn't need to, but this is something I buy even if I don't have coupons for it because my cat loves this. But there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta. Now if you buy the double one, it's a $1.50 rebate, but this one's a 75-cent rebate. Comes out to be just $5.01. Not the greatest deal, but I still thought, whatever, you know, my cat needed it and I could save some money for it. So she is a happy camper with that. I ended up getting the individual cups. These are 50 cents a piece, 52 cents a piece. You guys want to buy 4 of them. You guys would pay $2.08 for this, but then you get 50 cents back off of 4 of them. Comes out to be $1.58 or 39 cents a piece. So I'm like, you know what? Like I said, my cat loves these, so I ended up doing that. The next deal we got with the cats is I just got the dry cat food. Paris isn't a big fan of the Meow Mix dry food, but I'll still mix it in with the stuff that she does eat. But this was $3.98. Now make sure you scan these because one of them didn't work, but the other ones did. But you guys would pay $3.98 for this. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $3.23. So I'm like, that's fine. And then when you buy a dry product and a wet product, you get a 25-cent bonus. So I did get that bonus. The next deal we got is the Swirly Pops. Now I'm going to continue getting these just because I cannot pass up popsicles for 37 cents. They do say they are, where did I read this at? They're like gluten, I think I read it on the, coupon, but I'm like, whatever. These are like, yeah, gluten-free, peanut-free, dairy-free, no HFCS. I'm not sure what that is. But these are $2.12. You guys want to use that dollar off coupon that we had from a couple weeks ago. You would pay $1.12, which is still a pretty good deal. But then you get 75 cents back with Ibotta, making it just 37 cents. So this was a deal I'm just like, I don't really want to do it, but I'm like 37 cents for popsicles. That is a pretty good deal. I've been doing it where Ben picks up toys, he can have a popsicle, so that's how we've been kind of working on with that. I ended up getting the almond nut thins. My husband opened one of these boxes the other day and he's like, these are really good. He liked the bluer box ones, but they were sold out, so I ended up getting these instead. But these were $2.68. You guys want to use that 75-cent off coupon. You would pay $1.93 for this, but then you guys will get 75 cents back with Ibotta, making it $1.18. So I'm like, you know what, for crackers, some healthier crackers, $1.18 is the way to go. I was trying to figure out what else to get, and I found these Purex 4-in-1 packs, and I don't even know how much is in here. 58 caps. That is a lot. 58 of them, and it's a big bag. Well, I noticed that there was a Peelie coupon on it, so I'm like, you know what? That's kind of a good deal. So there is a Peelie coupon right there for 3 off of 2. So these are, where did I write this? These are $6.97 for this. But then you guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon. You would pay $10.94, but then you guys can get $3 back on Ibotta times 2, making this $4.97 or just $2.47 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. They don't expire till June, so they don't expire for a whole year, and you can use it on the liquid. You don't have to just use it on the packs, but it is for stuff that's 128 ounces or larger for the liquid or the Purex 4-in-1. So I mean, 2 of those for $5 I think is a pretty good deal. You get a lot of laundry soap in there, so I thought that was pretty excited. So I'm excited that I got another one with a Peelie because I'm going to definitely do that when it resets. I ended up getting this dog food, high protein. I'm going to give this to my brother because my brother has a dog. But these were 96 cents. You guys want to buy 3 of them. Okay, there is a $1 off of 3 printable coupon from coupons.com. You guys would pay $1.88 for this. But then you guys can submit to Ibotta. You must buy 3 of them, but you get a $1 off of 3. Comes out to be 88 cents or just 29 cents a can for that. So I got 3 of those for my brother's dog, so he'll enjoy that. I ended up just getting this Gatorade bar. Now, if you guys don't know where these are over like by the Slim Fast and all that weird healthy supplement stuff. But these were $1.48. You would pay $1.48 for this. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. You can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You guys will get points for Fetch Rewards. Comes out to be just 98 cents for this, so I thought that's a pretty good deal. Ben likes these, so this kind of gives him his protein for the day, because he doesn't eat a lot of protein, so there's that. I ended up getting the Shea and Cocoa Butter hand soap. This was a $2.98. Now we just got some 50-cent off coupons that we got in yesterday's paper. You guys would pay $2.48, but then you guys will get back a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.48. Not the greatest deal because we can get soap deals for other things, but I wanted to get other things to get my rebates because I needed 11 rebates to finish my bonus that I had, so I definitely wanted to do that. But other than that, that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. My total came to $35.05. Is she sleeping? No, she's awake. $35.05. I ended up getting $13.50 back with Ibotta. I ended up hitting the toy bone bonus, so I got $5 with that. I hit the midweek bonus, which I think I needed 12 rebates in between here and Target. I got that, so I made $1 off the midweek bonus. And then I got a 25-cent bonus for buying one wet and one dry Meow Mix cat food. So my grand total came to $15.30. I got 18 items at just about 85 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty okay deal. I mean, 15 bucks for all that stuff doesn't seem that bad. I got food for my cat, which I love. I got food for my brother's dog, and I got food for us. So I got a lot of food items. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give this video a thumbs up so I know you can enjoy it. Miss Charlotte has to be with Mama, especially when I do my videos when Graham's not home. So I just hold her and she just lets me hold her and I love it. But again, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys all next week for another Walmart Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.